Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Xbox Series X vent dust covers is probably one of the most essential accessories you can get for your console, especially if you're looking to protect your investment from the inevitable buildup of dust and debris that can clog up the vents, potentially leading to overheating issues and reduced performance over time, ensuring your gaming sessions remain smooth and uninterrupted. Number 5. Xbox Series X Dust Filter and Plugs, 2-pack. This anti-dust filter is specially designed to perfectly fit your Xbox Series X console. It's the ideal accessory to keep your gaming system protected. Our convenient fan filters help keep your console clean by reducing dust buildup. This not only prolongs the life of your fan but also ensures optimal performance. Installation is a breeze with these dust filters. No screws are needed, making it quick and easy to protect your console from dust. These dust filters feature an exquisite and simple design. Adding them to your console won't affect its overall appearance, maintaining a sleek look. This package includes 2 dust filters for your console, along with 4 thumb grips and a set of silicone dust plugs for comprehensive protection. What we like. This set offers a straightforward solution for keeping your console clean. It comes with extra thumb grips and silicone plugs for added value. If you're looking for basic dust protection without any added features, this is a great choice. What people say. The mesh pattern is very good at holding the dust at bay or at the very least reducing it. The plugs for the unused ports are great, and depending on what you connect, it'll leave a couple behind. The thumbstick covers are great, it fits over my worn out OEM ones and has bumps for a more tactile feel. Number 4. MENEEA Cooling Fan for Xbox Series X. Keep your console running smoothly with this all-in-one accessory. It combines cooling, dust protection, and extra USB ports to extend its lifespan and prevent overheating. Experience superior heat dissipation with its high-speed fan. Choose from 3 adjustable gears to maintain optimal temperature with minimal noise, ensuring a comfortable gaming experience. Enhance your gaming atmosphere with the integrated colorful light strip. Easily switch between 6 monochrome and 1 mixed color options to match your mood. Stay connected and powered up with 2 USB ports. One supports fast 3.0 data transfer, while the other is perfect for charging controllers or other devices. Protect your console from dust with the included filters and silicone plugs. These accessories ensure dust doesn't enter vital ports, helping to maintain its performance. Setting up is a breeze with its user-friendly design. Simply align and attach the dust cover, and use the independent touch switches for fan speed and lighting. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one accessory for your console. It not only keeps your system cool with an adjustable fan but also adds a vibrant atmosphere with its customizable LED strip. If you're a gamer who loves to enhance their setup with both functionality and aesthetics, and needs extra USB connectivity, this is the one for you. What people say. Being able to keep out dust with the dust mesh vent covers, and the rubber seals, adds both security for the ports, and cleans up the look. It has helped with the unit not getting too hot. The fan keeps my Xbox noticeably cooler, especially during long gaming sessions. Number 3. Xbox Series X Dust Filter Kit. Keep your gaming console free from dust with this specially designed filter kit. It helps prevent dust from entering your device, ensuring it stays clean. This kit includes plugs for ports and mesh filters for vents. They effectively block dust from entering, prolonging the life of your console's fan and internal components. Installation is straightforward. Simply apply the mesh filters to the vents and insert the plugs into the available ports. No complex steps are needed. Made from high-quality, durable materials, these covers are built to last. They can withstand high temperatures and are reusable without deforming. You'll receive 8 dust plugs, 4 dust mesh covers, and 6 thumb grips. This comprehensive set ensures your console remains in top condition. Trust this accessory to keep your gaming system running smoothly and looking its best. Enjoy uninterrupted gameplay with a clean console. What we like. This kit provides comprehensive protection against dust for both your console and its ports. With a generous number of silicone plugs and mesh filters, it ensures thorough coverage. If you're someone who wants to meticulously protect every port and vent on your console, this bundle is ideal. What people say. The dust covers fit perfectly on the Xbox Series X console. Easy to install and remove, they provide good protection against dust buildup. The design allows for proper ventilation, so the console doesn't overheat. Number 2. ECHZOVE Dust Cover and Filter Kit for Xbox Series X. Keep your gaming console safe from dust and debris. This kit is specifically designed to protect your device from unwanted particles. This accessory is tailored exclusively for the Xbox Series X. It ensures a perfect fit to keep your system clean and running smoothly. Crafted from premium rubber and PVC, these covers are built to last. They resist deformation, ensuring long-term protection and usability. Setting up protection is a breeze. Just peel, align, and insert the plugs into the available ports for immediate dust defense. This comprehensive kit includes mesh filters and silicone plugs. It effectively blocks dust from entering your console's essential ports and vents. You'll receive 2 dust filter covers and 8 rubber dust plugs. Everything you need to safeguard your Xbox Series X is included. What we like. This accessory offers a practical combination of mesh filters and silicone plugs for effective dust prevention. Made from durable, reusable materials, it's designed for long-term use. If you prioritize ease of maintenance and reliable, long-lasting dust protection for your console, this option is a solid pick. What people say. Super good at keeping dust out, and I've had it for a year with no issues, so it's very durable as well. The fitment is perfect, all the rubber ports fit perfectly and the adhesive on the dust covers are pretty good. I've had no issues at all. Well packaged as described. Great dust protection, a must for game system. Number 1. Xbox Series X Dust Filter Accessory Set. This accessory set is meticulously designed exclusively for your X Series console. It offers a perfect fit to keep your device protected. Crafted from durable PVC, these filters are built to last and are completely washable. They are also environmentally friendly, containing no harmful chemicals. For optimal performance, it's recommended to clean any existing dust from the fan outlet before installing the filters. This ensures effective dust blocking. With 0.8 mm holes, these filters prevent dust and hair from entering your console while maintaining excellent airflow. This keeps your device clean and extends its lifespan. Installation is incredibly easy. Just peel off the protective film, stick the filter onto the designated area, and press the edges to secure it firmly. What we like. This filter boasts a high-density metal mesh that effectively blocks dust and hair while maintaining excellent airflow. Its washable design makes maintenance simple and eco-friendly. If you're looking for a premium, durable, and easy-to-clean solution that ensures optimal ventilation, this is the filter you should consider. What people say. I have the base fan, top fan W temp control and the back dual fans, and they all work with these dust covers. It didn't block any airflow from the fan. Very easy to put on. This is a kit that helps reduce dust damage to your gaming console. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.